What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we've got a little quick one for you today. You would have seen in the last video we did the headlight lenses on the E46. Super stoked with how they turned out, but obviously you could see that the indicators were the not original indicators, but they were the other ones. Now my new indicators just turned up finally after a bit of a headache. So if you didn't see the other video, what happened is my brother-in-law bought them for me for Christmas. I'd given him the wrong link. So there's like a A-type fitting and then a B-type fitting. You'll understand that if you've pulled out your indicators before on an E46. I need the A-type and I wanted the indicators in black. You can get chrome or black. So I wanted them in black to match my headlights. That was a link for the B-type, unfortunately. So he sent them back. I ordered them from Mars Performance, and then weirdly they sent out the same type, which I didn't ask for, but also they sent this like weird indicator out. It was a black one, but it just looked rubbish. I really didn't like it. It wasn't what I wanted. So anyway, I contacted them and I was like, hey, you sent me the wrong ones, and you've sent me the wrong fitting, so can you send me the right ones? Sent them back. They finally sent out the ones that I want, which we're gonna put on today. So like there was a bunch that I could have picked. There was the classic orange, which is kind of like the factory. You got the clear, which is the same indicator style, but it's obviously a clear lens. The orange isn't gonna match my gray and black kind of theme that I'm going for. The clear also isn't really gonna match that because it kind of matches chrome, and I don't have any chrome on the car. I mean, I've got polished wheel nuts, but I don't think that's gonna match. I don't like the look. I tried tinting them. That kind of made it a little bit better, but to be honest, the tint was a little bit brown instead of black. So I wasn't really the biggest fan of that because like that brown kind of tinge to it. So it wasn't great. So anyway, the other option was these, and then the fourth option, fifth, I don't know if you want to class the clear with the tint as an option, but there was a full set of LEDs. I did like those, but I was a bit on the fence about them. They're like 280 bucks or something. And when I'm on the fence about something, I don't really want to spend that much money on it. These were like 100, so I think pretty fair. So let's jump out there, install them, and see what they look like. All right, so these are the original, what we've got at the moment. So we're gonna swap them out with the new ones. I'm not even gonna show you. I'm just gonna go and pop them in, and then you can see them as they are in all their glory. So I'll chuck you guys up. We'll do a little sneaky time lapse and get them in. There's the finished product. I am in love with those. I think they look really good. I think they match really well with a like black outline, black grille, black wheels, fog light covers, everything. I think that's just perfect. Now keep in mind, guys, this is not an M3. Like you can see by the fenders, it's not an M3, so don't worry about it not looking super M3 or super like original, whatever. This car is not going to be original. This car is going to be me and what I like. So I'm very happy with that. I think that like the chrome back here matches up with the chrome of the headlights. Just kind of brings it in that triple threat. Oh, I love it. Now, I'm really sorry I can't actually turn the indicators on. The battery's out and I'm not putting the battery back in because I got a fresh one. So sorry, you will not see that light up until, I'll do it when I do the tail lights, because I'm gonna throw that battery back in just quickly for the tail lights when I do them, which are on order right now, and they should be within a couple days. So you guys should be able to see them very soon. So they ended up looking amazing. I'm such a big fan. Now, I know there may be some people out there that are like, oh, the indicators, they're different, they're aftermarket. Wow, you should keep it OEM. Shut up. keep yours OEM, all right? I'm not keeping mine OEM. Like, I'm not even gonna have the same engine in the car. Like, chill, bruh. It's not an M3. It doesn't need to be OEM. It doesn't have to be like original, blah, 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 all that crap. All right, that's not what I do with my cars. So I think they look incredible. The housing matches, they're like the actual like chrome light backing matches the headlight and the high beam, like the, you know, your low beam and your high beam. I think it matches perfectly. I think it looks amazing. For my car, stoked. For $100, like that front end's done, completely finished. So now all we're waiting for to finish the outside is the rear LED tail lights. Rear tail lights. Well, they're not gonna be front tail lights, are they? Anyway, we're waiting for them. I've ordered them. They're just on the way. They're actually only going to be a few days because I'm in Melbourne. I think Mars Performance is as well. So it should be here really quickly. Then we'll install them and I will chuck the battery back in so you can see those. And then in that video, to give you guys a bit of a come along and watch the next video, I'll also turn the indicators on. It's nothing crazy, obviously. It's just turning the indicators on. But you'll be able to see what these look like on, because as you would have seen in a previous video, I put the chrome bulbs in, so you haven't got that like horrible bit of orange just sitting in a black and silver kind of setup, you know what I mean? You can see the orange globe in there, the amber globe. So a solution to that is you can get these here, which has like a chrome tinting to the outside. Still amber, still reflects, like still lights up amber, but you won't actually see it in there, which would be nice and perfect. So the chrome bulbs just kind of disappear into that chrome backing. So guys, super quick one today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you are on the fence about some headlights, maybe this has helped you. You've been able to see it on a car, etc., etc. Super easy install. It's one screw, slide it out, put the screw back in. Or if it's the B type, I think it's just like it's like a pressure clip kind of thing. Push it down, it clips it out. So pretty easy. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. See you guys.